guys, I'm back at Florence, Azria. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a very simple and stylish recipe named Icy Marquise de Pompadour. This is a tribute to Madame de Pompadour, that was Louis XV mistress. Although she was a very, a courtesan? She revolutionized the art and architecture of Paris. So let's get to the cake. So I'm gonna mix 8 egg yolks with sugar. I'm gonna mix them until they're white and fluffy. It's called a ruban texture. Now I already melted my chocolate and I'm gonna add a bit of Grand Marnier to give an orangey flavor. And I am going to add some orange zest. It's a pound of chocolate melted with 8 ounces of butter. I'm gonna add these to my egg yolk. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit while I'm beating my egg whites. So in here, I'm having 6 egg whites. So let's beat the egg whites to a very stiff beat, like for mousse in a way. So now my egg white at a very stiff peak, and I'm gonna fold them into the chocolate mixture very gently, not to break them. And that is a classic way of doing it. You never want to break the egg whites because basically that's what holds the mixture. So see how I go clockwise, lifting always the batter. So you just don't smash the egg whites. So now I'm gonna transfer this mixture into my mold that I have buttered and lined. So I line it with plastic wrap. So it goes one way like this, one way like this, leaving the edges unfold. So I'm gonna show you why. And now. Push the edges really well, so the shape, when you unmold it, it's even and pretty. Wrap it tightly, and this is going overnight in the freezer. So here is the finished product after a night in the freezer. My beautiful marquise is about to shine and reveal all her beauty. So I'm gonna mold it, but you know, in order to loosen the edges, I'm gonna use a torch. She's about to reveal a mystery. More easily, let's see if it works. And oui, it worked. Look at my beautiful petite marquise. let me decorate her. I'm using orange, candied orange peel. Voila. And voila, the Marquise is revealing her beauty. What I love about that recipe, it's an easy recipe. It doesn't require any baking. It doesn't have any flour. So if you have gluten-free guests, or you can make it months in advance and keep it in the freezer, just unmold it. And when you're done, wrap it again tightly and put it back in the freezer so you can save it for a long time. Thank you for joining me in the making of the Icy Marquise de Pompadour. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next Thursday at 6 p.m. Thank you. Bye-bye.